We are ParaProduction's animation studio.
This semester, we are working on 2 animation projects to experience the entire animation pipeline.
For pre-production, we're working on developing materials to pass off to next semester. This includes storyboards, concepts, animatics, and technical tests.
For our production piece, we're working on a short animated film about 5 fish-like creatures racing through a steampunk style obstacle course.
During this process, we use our experience in production to help us tailor scope and make certain decisions of pre-production. So now let's find out more about our pipeline.
Hi, my name is Ching. I'm the 3D artist on the team. So I do model, materials, lighting, and also in charge of rendering in Maya. So materials, lighting, and rendering are pretty tedious jobs. We have to look at the render many times to make little changes and little tweaks. We have to pay really close attention to details, so we can make sure the final render looks really good. We're also using render farm to help us with the rendering and to accelerate the render process.
Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm the technical artist and rigger in this team. Rigging is pretty challenging this semester. We have a non-bipedal character with only eyeball to express emotions. I create a blend mesh based on the emotion list to help emotional expressions. Furthermore, I create several tools to optimize the pipelines. For example, I create tools to retarget animation between rigs, and it will save a lot of time when we create the crowds.
Hello, I'm Rachel. I'm the animator and editor in this team. I animated the characters and the cameras for our short animation film. We usually shoot ourselves as reference and animate based on those references. After doing all the animation, I also help the editing to put everything together. In the end of the semester, I took what I learned as an animator to help with our pre-production piece.
Hello, my name is Angela. I'm the effects artist and compositor in this team. My part of work is to create visual effect elements like fluids and flames to make the virtual world more believable. Also, I'm the one who lay out everything together to get the final look of the animation.
This animation project is really challenging, that we can experience the entire animation pipeline in a relatively short amount of time. For me, I strengthened my skill sets in 3D pipeline as an effects artist. At the same time, I can use my experience to help my team tailor the scope and make certain decisions in the pre-production pipeline.
Hi, I'm Rose. I am the co-producer and 2D concept artist for this project. I work on things like motion graphics for our production piece, so sports graphics for the characters, as well as the story and the storyboards and animatics for our pre-production piece.